Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherrell, and if you're new here, I'm a wife and mama of 2 Hershey Kisses who just started 3rd and 4th grade on September 5th. I post tons of cleaning motivational videos. If that interests you, then I would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell for weekly inspiration. I know that most children have already started school, but up north where we live in New Jersey, we start school after Labor Day. And now that my kids are back in school and we're finding our new routine of what works for us each morning, you guys, I have to be honest. Each first still makes me a little nervous. I know that my children will do well each school year, but I always have to pray to sweet Jesus just to bring a little peace to my heart. But comment below, I'm a little curious, what do you do as a mama when your kids first start school? Do you celebrate because now you have some peace in the house? Or do you have to be like me and find little ways to bring peace to your heart as you go throughout the day?
So much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
I'm just going to do some dusting in both of my children's room, and I'm starting in Alicia's, and I'm using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean that smells so amazing. It smells like sweet almond. And I'm also going to use a Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner spray and my favorite scent, lavender and argan oil. I typically make a mental cleaning list of the things that I want to get done in my home to keep it tidy. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that the hubbin is gone for 4 months. And now that I'm acting as a solo parent, I want to be sure that I place my energy in where it's needed most, especially when my kids get home from school. But I'm very curious, you guys, what type of cleaning do you do to keep your house clean? Do you make a list? Do you schedule it out for the week? Or do you do zone cleaning? Comment below, because I think this will really help me as a solo parent on how to juggle everything since the hubbin is gone. Next, I'm going to clean my kids' bathroom, making sure that I wipe their sink and toilet clean. And then after that, I will move on to the kitchen.
As friends, do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
I typically like to use natural cleaners when I'm cleaning my house, but when it comes to the bathroom, y'all, I am all the way chemicals. I feel like it disinfects, but I will be testing out this new DIY that I just recently learned about adding certain amounts of water, castile soap, and vodka as a disinfectant. But if you tried that, comment below and let me know, because I'm really curious to see how well it really does work.
Up as friends, do it again, do it again. but I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. Oh.
Usually I don't have this many dishes to wash in the morning, but because it was the first day of school, I decided to make them some breakfast. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. And then of course doing my absolute favorite thing, which is cleaning the sink. I have no idea why, but cleaning the sink is just so satisfying to me. After cleaning my sink, I'm going to go ahead and spray my counters using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and the scent apple cider vinegar. During the summer, I did a lot of cooking because my kids were out of school, but now that we're back in the school routine, I decided to go ahead and clean my oven. So in my sponge scrub thingy, I just have water, vinegar, and dish soap, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good spot clean. Listen, cleaning the oven is my least favorite chore, and the reason why is that I feel as though you need to find ways to get your body inside the oven just to clean the oven walls and give it the proper deep clean that it needs. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I have thought of many ways that I can do that. It does not work. So having this wand that I picked up at Target is the best solution as of now. But honestly, I don't like cleaning it, so I try to clean my oven as frequently as I can because I just don't like it. But comment below letting me know, do you hate cleaning the oven too? Or are you the fairy godmother who just loves to clean the oven? And I'm gonna tell you, girlfriend, sprinkle that dust on me so I can love it too. So it is my children's responsibility to wipe the table after they're eating, and they did such a great job. So I'm just going to go ahead and just continue to sweep the floor, and then I'm going to go upstairs and vacuum their rooms clean.
You're dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
Thank you so much for watching and spending your day with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please give us a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, girlfriend. Until next time, stay beautiful.
Coming to get you, dying to